Hi, Fidel here. I'm going to show you how I reheat my pizza so I can try to keep the crust from drying out and getting too hard. So what you need is a cup of water, a brush, some oven paper, and then something to take your pizza out with. So right now I'm just going to preheat the oven, and I got this rack on there. I sometimes will just reheat right on my baking steels, but today I'm going to just reheat on this, okay, on this rack. So go ahead and close the oven. I'm going to turn it on a convection setting so air is flowing, and I'm going to turn it on max, and I'm going to give this a little bit of time to completely reheat, and this light will turn off. Okay, so the oven's been preheating for a little while now, and it should be right around 270 degrees centigrade. So I'm going to go ahead and prepare my pizza. This was previously frozen a couple of weeks ago, and I defrosted it yesterday. So I'm going to just place this guy on here, and I'm going to brush the edges very liberally with water. The more water the better, because this is going to help to protect the moisture, what little is still in there from its first baking, and hopefully give a bit of a crackly finish when it's done. And of course the inside of your pizza here, whatever toppings you had there, cheese and sauce, that might have dehydrated as well after cooling and then going through the freezing process. So you can probably dab a little moisture on that. Okay, now you don't really need a peel to put this in. I mean, I can just use my hands and just place that right up here. And we're just going to wait until the cheese starts to bubble, and we'll be right back when it does. Okay, so my pizza is now done. You can see everything's bubbling there, sizzling. Bring that over here. Go ahead and pick that off of that sheet. So let's see. You can hear a crackle there. So it kind of retains some moisture and some crackle there, so it's not bad at all. So that's finished. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that. Cut it into 6 pieces. Okay, and have that with a little Coke. And this is my lunch. Hope your pizza treats you well. Thanks for watching.